Okay guys, so today we're gonna open the console box of Mercedes C200. Here is the rear view and this is the inside. As you guys can see, here is inside view. This all we wanna open the console box of this Mercedes, and this is the engine view. So let's do start it. Okay guys, so we need to open this both screw inside. This is the here we need to open it. As this is closed, we need to open it like this, and then just take it up, and there is two screws inside, 1 and 2, and then we will take it up this hole from here. This is the air conditioning vent. We need to check the whole clips and screws all, and then we need to open it, and there is two screws inside. Need to open it first, this one. These are the clips only, nothing else. Then after this, open those two screws, we will take out the whole console box. And these are the harness only down. As you guys can see, nothing inside, just the harness. These are the sockets for harness clips, this, and for rear, these are the harness clips, as you guys can see here. This one, this, and nothing else, just inside harness is here. This one, this. So now we're gonna fix it back, and we will let you know how to fix it. So just clip on the socket.
तो अभी ऐसे ही रखते ना,
नहीं ऐसे जो चेक करो. So guys, this is the ambient light sockets, these two, as you guys can see. Okay guys, so this is the all harness here. You guys can see the sockets, harness, and this is here. Another one is from here. This is for here, this clip inside, and there is a cigarette lighter sockets, another one, and lights already we fix it, and these sockets. Guys, so this is here, this one, the rear console. There is a two screws only, this one, two only, 1 2.
कोई चीज़ ही नहीं है ऐसी.
चल चलो बिठाओ. पियानो दे तू, आप पीछे में.
आज इसको नहीं अभी फिक्स तो नहीं करा मेरा सीधा रख लो चुक दूँ पता नहीं चुक इसे भी चुक सीधा करूँ दे दे देखो तेरा फंसा दे
चलो
फंस गया चल इन्हें भी दिखा दे
ये तरह है क्या
तेरा
सिगरेट वाला
ਉਹ ਛੱਡ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸਿਗਰਟ ਦੀ ਇੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਇਹਦੀ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਫਿਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਨਾ ਫਿਰ ਲਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕੱਢਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ ਔਖਾ ਨਿਕਲਦਾ
यार
उसको नहीं लगा सिगरेट लाइटर का बाद में लगा देंगे वो औखा निकलता है उसको इधर रख के पहले देखते हैं स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं ये गुड़ का सिस्टम रख दें देखा कि नहीं
ये बैठेगा पहले
नहीं ये तो जावे ना पन्ना चल सही है बाद में देखते हैं
Okay guys, so after we install all the harness, we will check it whether is the working or not, or any socket missing or not. So now we're gonna check it whether there is lights or not. Switch लगा, एक और लगा. Yeah guys, as you guys can see, all lights are working here. Yes. So now we're gonna install it. Yes.
नॉट फंक्शन तो ऑफ हो जाएगा सब्र करना वो अभी आया था इसको तूने फिर दबा दिया ऑफ कर दिया अब देख क्या लिखा है ये ना ये
इन्हें घुमाना पैंदा
और सब्र तक कर तो रेडियो से नहीं लगा देगा ये क्या लिखा हुआ आ रहा है
So okay guys, after this clip is installed inside, everything is working fine, and then we just push it back, and there is 2 screws, this one and 2, and 2 is there inside the console box. This one just fixes down, clip it, and everything is complete. Okay guys, so we will see you in next video.